Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 6 from the MGS 2014 Paper B. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more worked solutions for this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. In a set of cuboids, the three measurements, length, width and height, are always in the ratio 5:4:3. Find the length of the first cuboid if the width is 20 centimeters. First, let's write down our ratio. 5:4:3. Remember, make sure you know which number represents which measurement. Now, we know that our width is now 20. To get from 4 to 20, we've multiplied by 5. So we have to multiply the other numbers in the ratio as well. 5 times 5 gives us 25. 3 times 5 gives us 15. We're looking for the length, which is represented by this number. So we know that our final answer is 25. Find the width of the second cuboid if its length is 12 more than the height. This time we're going to write out our ratio again, but we're going to label it, as this is going to make answering the question a lot easier. In terms of the ratio, we know the difference between the length and the height is 2 units. We also know that these 2 units are equal to 12 centimeters, as in the question it says that the length is 12 centimeters more than the height. If 2 units is equal to 12, then 1 unit must be equal to 6. We want to find out the width. So let's go back to our ratio and we'll see that the width is made up of 4 units. To figure out the length of the width, we have to do 4 multiplied by 6, which gives us 24 centimeters. And finally, find the height of the third cuboid if its volume is 480 centimeters cubed. We know that in its simplest form, the ratio 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 gives us our volume, and in this case, that volume is 60 centimeters cubed. However, we're told that in the case of this cuboid, the volume is actually 480 centimeters cubed. If we divide 480 by 60, we get 8. This means that from our original ratio, the ratio has been scaled up by 8. This means that 1 unit in our ratio is equal to 8. The units here are centimeters cubed, as we're working with volume. However, we're trying to find the height, and the unit of that is centimeters. How do we get down from centimeters cubed to centimeters? We have to do the cube root. The cube root of 8 is 2, which means that each centimeter unit is equal to 2. If we're trying to find our height, we know that our height is made up of 3 units. So we need to do 3 multiplied by 2, which gives us 6. So our final answer is 6 centimeters. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to gain valuable skills that you can apply to problems similar to this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.